Hey everybody, today we are going to go over my three favorite functions inside Notion that can transform your page into an aesthetic masterpiece. So as you can see here, we've got just a blank Notion page. The first thing that we're going to do that really makes your Notion look better, we're going to go up here to these three little dots, and we're going to go ahead and click full width. So as you can see, we lost all the dead space on the sides, and now we can entire page. So this really helps when you have a more complex workspace that you have a menu on the side. Um, you could keep that menu over here and really utilize the full space. So the second function that we're going to go over today is going to be the callout box. So how you get that is you're going to do backslash callout. As you can see, it pops up right there. And so what this is, it's just a little box that really helps you organize. It comes with a little icon, and you can use it as a headline. So you can put your title here for something. So what I like to do is say title. So you can highlight that and make it bold, and then you can put other stuff down here, like a bulleted list or a database. And what that does is it really just helps separate all your. So the last property that we're going to go over is technically called a divider line, but I just call it the div line. So you can do backslash div and then get this divider here. And all this adds is a little just divider line that can help you break up your information. So I like using it with this as well. As you can see, it works good in callout, but you can also put it up here. You could put it anywhere, and it just really makes your content more digestible. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short little mini lesson. Um, if you want more content like this, or you have any specific questions regarding the functions of Notion, feel free to ask below. Thank you.